How to introduce yourself in English and speak confidently when you are meeting new people or trying to make new friends. Let's practice. Hello, my name is Rosaliana Lisa, but everyone always calls me Lisa. I'm 21 years old. I was born in Jakarta, and I live with my parents. There are many people in my family. I have 3 sisters and 1 elder brother. My father is an architect and my mother is a teacher. Now, I'm a student at university. I study computer and technology. After graduation next year, I would like to be a computer programmer and internet entrepreneur. I really like eating fast food, and also I like eating healthy food. In my free time, I like reading a lot of books or surfing the internet with my computer. Swimming and surfing are my favorite sports. My favorite day of the week is Sunday, because it's the day when you do a lot of enjoyment and take a rest day. My favorite month is July, because that is my birthday month. I like traveling and visiting new places, and also meeting new people and making friends. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm Indonesian, and I lived in Bali for the past 10 years. I'm 30 years old, and I'm a fashion designer. I work for my company and make my brand. I'm married, and I've got 2 beautiful children. My hobbies are gardening and cooking some food with different recipes on the internet. I'm crazy about food and I love to eat. Fried rice and steak are my favorites. I love spending time with my family at home and do many things like watching movies, reading the books, playing the games, and cleaning the house. I usually exercise pretty often. I go to the gym on Friday to Sunday. I really like doing exercise because it has lots of benefits for my body. When I'm exercising, I feel like I'm helping myself a lot by being active and healthy. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye for now.